All right, guys, you already know what I'm here for. So happy Wednesday. I'm a little bit late, but you know what? I am here, and that's all that counts, right? So if you don't know, right now, Walgreens has 90% off all their winter clothing. I'm going to show you some things, and then also I'm going to hit up a few stores. So today is the day I'm ready to shop on this rainy day. So if you're ready to get it started, let's go. Now, first things first, these socks are going to be only 10 cents, guys. So if you're not familiar, I don't have a scanner with me, but all of these socks, look for the West Loop. They are $1 with 90% off. They are 10 cents. Let's go ahead and get started, all right? Let's go down the aisle. Right now, it does not qualify for this because this is summer. We are going to the winter. So on here, if you look, our store does not have that much, but don't worry. I am probably about to hit up all the stores, okay? So if you're at work, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna donate it, so no worries at all. So first things first, guys, look at all of these socks. These socks were $1, and now guess how much are they for 90% off? Guess how much, guys? Like, guess. It is 10 cents. So I'm gonna clear the rack. I'm gonna leave some, I may. And then, but I'm definitely gonna grab these, which are the men's socks, and these are 10 cents as well. And then you have these, which are women's ponchos. They are $1.50. Not that many of them, but I may grab these as well. And then, like I said, to me, our store just doesn't have that much. So this is gonna be the first location. And these are $5, which 90% off. I don't know, maybe 50, 60 cents. I don't know. You guys help me down below, okay? But I'll let you see some of the shoes. But this is just the first location. So not much here, but it has a decent amount. And these, once again, these are like a scarf blanket. I may get these. I may actually get these. I think these are $1.50. Guys, what do you think? Should I get these over the ponchos or no? And I think these are so cute to actually run with, and these come with the hat and glove set. So I don't know, like, guys, I'm probably gonna leave a lot of this, like, honestly, because I don't need it and I don't want to be a hoarder. Now those socks I'm not playing with, like, those are about to be in my pocket. And then these are 90% off as well, so I'm more than likely going to grab some of these, which are your hoodies, and it comes with the pants. So yeah, I'm gonna get me a set or two, because this just works out. And this is extra large. I hate to put it on the ground, but yeah, I'm about to grab some hoodies and more than likely some socks and maybe some shoes, because these would only be $1. All right, guys, let's see. I'll let you know what I get. So first store down, and we're gonna go to another store. All right, so for location one, I end up just getting the sweatsuits, the sweat outfits. I only got one because they had a large, so these are $1 a piece. And then I only end up getting one scarf set because I thought this would be cute for myself, and this is $1.50. And then I end up getting one West Loop women's poncho, which is $1.50. I got a scarf, and I thought this would be cute, especially just to wear. And then I got some socks, which these are 30 cents. And I got these, which are the foams, for $1. And then these are $1 as well. These are gonna be great giveaway gifts. So, and then I think I'm going to get these for 10 cents. I was gonna put them back, but I think I'm just gonna donate these. So let's go ahead and check out. All right, guys, so first one is $10.28 at this store. And look at my bags. So let's go ahead and go to the next one. All right, guys, so I am in location number 2, and for this one, it looks like it has about the same exact stuff as the other location did. I'm looking here, and it looks like maybe they have like a little bit more of like the hats and different things. I may get this gold one because that's pretty cute, or I like the gray one, I think, instead. I may do the gray one, not sure, but it looks like with them they have a pretty much the same selection. And then when it comes to the ponchos, this was the one that I already had picked up, and then they have this color, which is the cream color. Other than that, They do have more men's sweatpants, which the last lady at the last store, she was looking for some stuff for her son. So I may grab something for her son if they have a set to match. And they don't have a set to match, because if they had a set, I would grab it for her and take it back. Like, you know, you got to help people out, right? And she was super sweet to go ahead and scan. And I know people will be like, well, she was just doing her job. Yeah, but she didn't have to do it. You know, some people, you've been around people that's their job and they still don't do things. But yeah, I'm not pleased. So I think with this location, I'm just gonna leave everything here. So if somebody wants to check out this one and grab it, they can. But for me, let's go on and go to the next location. This is the third location, and you can see up top they still have those same slippers that I've showed you a trillion times, and they are only $1. So I'm going to leave those as well. And then you see they still have more kids fuzzy socks for 10 cents. They have a few hat and scarf sets. Now this location looks like somebody already has ran through it as well, because a lot of items are already gone, or they may have already sold out, because it looks like they had it for 70% off and $3. So I may hit a bonus location. And the great news is, because I know a lot of people are like, well, how do you have time to go to a lot of stores? I'm going to answer it for you guys. And that's because a lot of my stores are in like a little mile radius. So I have a great location that I stay in, thank goodness. Now, I did see these socks, which were nice. They're 30 cents. I'm gonna leave them. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything. So it looks like the first location was the best location thus far. But yeah, let's go ahead and see. I'm gonna check out one more bonus location. Now I'm gonna look and see, because I don't think these are 90% either. Yeah, I think I had her scan. They're not 90%. All right, so let's try one more location. All right, guys, so this is my bonus location, and it looks like they don't have much stuff at all either. So the one thing that I did find was this, which is $1.50. It is the women's thermal set, and this is cute. It's a two-piece. It's small, medium. Now this is probably something I have to give away as well, but it's black. It's only $1.50. So if you have not been to Walgreens, I would definitely suggest that you check it out. And just some of the items that should be 90% is going to be, once again, the West Loop brand. And you should be able to see scarves. They have different glove sets. They have these heat locker thermal gloves as well. And then of course they have like a lot of different slippers. These are nice for only the men's. They are size 9 and 10. So I've shown you most of this stuff, and it looks like it just varies by location and the color. So this is a blue women's poncho. I've shown you a cream one. I've shown you all types of stuff. So it looks like this is all that we still have left in Huntsville. And these are some fashion scarves. And I mean, guys, like, you can't beat these scarves for 59 cents. I mean, you can give them out to different women in your life. Mother's Day is coming up, so you can put things together. So cannot beat that at all. But this is it. I think I'm going to end the video here. And of course, don't forget that on Friday is Dollar General 75 to 90% off sale as well. And I'm trying to think, guys, what am I missing? What am I missing? Because I can't think of it. But nonetheless, please like, comment, subscribe. And as always, I may be a little bit late with the deals, but you already know I got you covered, okay? So y'all have a great Wednesday, and I'm gonna go and enjoy this weather. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.